The pros and cons of how Google Chrome encrypts DNS activity. Thanks to the expansion of HTTPS, the secure version of the original HTTP protocol, most internet traffic is encrypted today, improving your privacy and protecting your browsing data from the wary eyes of eavesdroppers. Major browsers like Google Chrome and Firefox warn you if you visit an unencrypted website. But while progress has been great, not all of your internet traffic is encrypted. The domain name system, DNS, the protocol used to convert domain names, for example, google.com, to IP addresses, for example, 74.125.157.99, still remains in plain text, which can reveal much about your browsing habits. Rented shoes are gross. But bowling is fun. Join us for Bowlr, Amsterdam's best networking event. Yeah. The DNS-over-HTTPS protocol, introduced in recent years, improves the privacy of your browsing experience by adding a layer of encryption to your DNS packets. Firefox led the charge, experimenting support for DNS over HTTPS since 2017. Google Chrome added experimental support for DO in version 78. Google will enable it by default for 1% of Chrome users with the rollout of version 79 in December. With Chrome being the go-to browser for more than 65% of users, the implementation of DO can have a deep impact on browsing privacy. Here's what you need to know about the privacy benefits and limits of DNS over HTTPS. DNS privacy. On the Internet, as well as local, offline networks, each computer has an IP address, a sequence of 4 numbers, for example, 74.125.157.99. When computers want to communicate with each other, such as browsing to a website, they must specify the IP address of the destination. But the human brain is not very good at remembering number sequences. Imagine having to remember thousands of IP addresses. That's why network scientists created the DNS protocol, which allows you to use domain names, much easier for humans to remember, to refer to computers on a network. Whenever you type in the address of a website, say n.wikipedia.org, your computer sends a DNS request to your DNS resolver, usually your internet service provider. Your resolver, in turn, communicates with a series of DNS servers to find the IP address for the website or service you want to connect to. Here's where things get a bit ugly. The DNS. For more on this story, visit the news article link.